Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth connection error. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search, type in CMD, and you wanna click run this program as an administrator. And once it opens, you wanna type in here ipconfig space / release and press enter. Now you wanna type in ipconfig space / renew. And after it's done, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Now you want to type in net sh space winsock space reset and then press enter. And now you want to type in exit and you want to restart your PC and see if that helps your issue. If that doesn't help, what you can do is go to search, type in settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, click network reset, and you want to click network reset now. And then click yes. That will restart your network connection and hopefully fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is go to control panel. Now in here, you want to find network and sharing center. If this is set to category, it looks like this. You want to click on network and internet and then click view network status. And you want to click change adapter settings, double click on the Ethernet. Now go to properties. Now in here, find internet protocol version 4, double click on it. And you want to click here, use the following DNS, and now use either 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1, or 8.8.8.8, and 8.8.4.4. And you can try either one of those and see which one helps your issue. After done with that, you want to exit out of this. Now, if nothing else works, what you can do is simply restart your router, or you can download the latest LAN drivers for your PC or Wi-Fi drivers, whatever. So you want to go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in msinfo32. Now in here, you want to find baseboard product. So and for me, it's B450. You want to copy it, open a new Chrome tab and type in B450. Now click the first link. It will be your motherboard manufacturer website. Go to support, drivers and downloads, drivers. And now look here for LAN drivers. And there will be Wi-Fi and internet drivers. And you want to download them and simply install them. And then restart your PC and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth connection error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.